Hello guys, so how is it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video I'm going to explain you class 6th mathematics chapter 1 knowing hours number exercise 1.1 of a Telangana state board and also as a Andhra state board. Okay, so in the previous video we already discussed about chapter 1 knowing hours number introduction. So if you didn't watch the introduction video, you go and watch that. If you watch that introduction video, you get a brief knowledge about chapter 1 knowing hours number. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain exercise 1.1, whatever question present in this exercise 1.1. okay, so first of all, moving to the our exercise 1.1, I want to give some basic information to you here. So this exercise 1.1 is very easy if you understand the introduction video. So it's very easy for you. You can easily do with yourself also. So otherwise, if you don't want to do, or if you want just copy, or otherwise you understand here, so you can see that you can watch this video. Okay, so one thing remember here, if you focus here in this video, definitely I will make sure this I will make this video very easy for you. Okay, this chapter I will make this chapter very easy for you. Okay, this video will be very helpful for you if you focus here. Okay, so let's talk one by one with a brief knowledge and brief concept. Okay, so first of all, you have to see this is our exercise 1.1 and this is our first question of exercise 1.1. okay, so let's read the question first of all. Okay, so if you see this exercise 1.1 question 1, which is the greatest and smallest among the group of the number. So this is a 5 question which is given in our first question, first bit. Okay, so in this this question said that in this question, in this group, we have to find that, like, first, this is of one group. Okay, in the first group we have to find which is greater number and which is a smaller number in that. Okay, so if you see here, so this is our question number 1. all right, and okay, so here I will write answer. Okay, don't think, here I will write answer. So this is our group 1. In this group 1 we have to find which is a greater number and which is a smaller number in that. Okay, so just I write here greater number. Okay, greater, I written greater. Okay, and smallest, right? Okay, greatest is okay, greatest and smallest. So in this one we have to find which is the greatest number and the smallest number. So let's see here, focus here. If you count this number, it's of 15,000, it's also 15,000, it's also 15,000, it's also 15,000. Now let's count 100. It's 432, it's 892, it's 370. Okay, it's 524. So can you say me, in this all this 1000 is in this all this number in this group, 1000 is same, it's 15, 15, 15, 15,000, but in 100 it is different. Like 1 times 100, it's 432, it's 892, it's 370, it's 524. Which is the greater in that? If you see, this 892 is greater in that all the 100 places. This is 15,432, this is 15,892, this is 15,370, this is 15,524. Which is greater in that? This 15,892 is a greater in that. So you have to write this 15,892 is a greater. So I just written here 15,892 is a greater in that. Okay, so this one is a greater. Okay, so in this we have to find which is smaller. In this everything is like 15, 15, 15 the same. Now it's 432, it's 432, it's 370 because it's a greater one already written, so it's obviously it will be not a smaller. So 524, which is smaller in that? This is a 400, 300, 500. Which is smaller in that? Obviously 300. So then what will our answer? 15,370 is a smaller. 15,370 is a smaller in that. Okay, so now let's move to our question number 2. Okay, so we have to find greater. We have to find greatest in that. Okay, so let's see. Now in this, which is greater? First of all, let's count the 1000 place. 1, 10, 100,000. This is 25,000. It's also 25,000. It's also 25,000. It's also 25,000. In this whatever in this number, this all are in this group, is everything in this 1000 place. Which number is that? 25 is in 1000 place in every number. If you see, okay, every digit 1000 to 25,000 in every digit, it's a greater. Now let's think, let's see in 100 place which is greater. It's in 100, it's 0. Okay, it's an open that only. In 100 place is in the 100 place it's 2. In the 100 place it's 8. In 100 place it's 6. In 100 place which is greater in that? Obviously that 8 is greater than 100 place. Okay, why? How I explain you? Because this 25 is the same, in every digit 25 is there, 25,000 there, but when you come to the 100, it's not given in here. 100 place it's 0, it's 2, it's 8 and 6. So which is greater? Obviously 25,800 is greater. See, 25,073. Okay, here 25,289, 25,800, 25,623. Which is greater? This one. So right here 25,800 is a greater in that. Okay, now we have to find a smaller. Okay, smallest number. I just write here. Okay, smallest. So now see in this, which is the smallest in that we have to find, right? So this is not 73 in 100 place, it's 289, it's 800, it's 620. Which is the smaller? Obviously that 73 is smaller in that. So you have to write here 25,073 is a smaller in that. Okay, so our 2 is also completed. Let's see the 3. If you see in the 3 one, it say that 44,000 in same in every number, every digit. Okay, so in this let's talk about 100 place. In 100 place it's same or not? It's 600, it's 600, it's also 600, it's also 600. Okay, so which is greater, which is smaller in that we have to find. Okay, so let's see. In this is the 44,687. This is the 44,645, 44,670, 44,602. Which is greater in that? This is 44,687, because this is 645, it's less. 670, it's less also. 602, it's also less than that number. So which is greater in that? So we have to write greatest, right? Greatest is what? 44,687. Okay, now you have to write a smallest. You have to write a smallest. So in this, which is a smaller one? So this is 687, 645, 670, 602. Which is a small? Obviously 44,602 is a very smaller in that all the number. So write 44,602. Okay, so let's talk about next fourth one. In the fourth one, this is 25,000, 75,000, 75, 75. In that 25, 75, 75 same. Let's see the 100, 600, 600, 600, 600. But in the tens place, 71, 35, 41. Which is greater in that? Obviously 71 is a greater. So which is, if you count 75,671, this is 75,635, 75,641, 75,610. Okay, 610. Okay, 610. So which is greater? This is a greater one. So we have to write greater. We have to write greatest number is, okay, here EST. Okay, which is greater in that? 75,671. So 75,671 is a greater. Okay, now we have to write a smallest. Okay, so in this, which is the smallest? This is 71, 35, 641, 610. So 75,610. Okay, 75,610 is a smaller in that whole number. It's in that all the whatever the group is present in this, smaller is 75,610. So we have to write 75,610 is a smaller in that. Okay, so now let's talk about last one. It is in the one, this is the last one. This is a 34,000. This 34,000, 34, 34, 800 in same. Take 95 is here, 91, 99, 93. Which is greater in that? 34,895, otherwise this one 34,819. Which is greater? So in that which is greater? Obviously 34,899 is a greater in that whole number. Okay, so here 34,899 is a greater in that, and which is a smaller? Let's find it. Which is the smallest in that? Okay, which is the smallest? This is the 95, 91, 99, 93. Which is the smallest? 99, 95, 91, 99, 99, 93. Which is this one is the smallest. 34,891 is the very smallest in the group of that number. Okay, so we have to write 34,891. Okay, so I hope it's completed here. Okay, I hope you understand this. So whatever in our exercise 1.1 question number 1 bit is completed here. Okay, so let's move to the second bit. Okay, so this is our second bit. Write the number in ascending or increasing order. Okay, so we have to write this number in ascending order. If you know the ascending order, then it's better for you. If you didn't know what is ascending order, then I explained you. For ascending order means not increasing. You know, increasing means what? Increasing means small to big. Okay, so ascending order means like when you going a small to bigger, small to big, this is known as ascending order, like 1 2 3 4 5. How this is going? This is going a small to big, a small to big, a small to big, a small to big. So this is the known as ascending order. Ascending order means what? A small to big. A small to big is known as ascending order. Okay, so how this is 1, it's a very small, then it's going to be up 2, it's bigger number, then 2 is a small, then compared to the 3 is a small compared to the 4 is a small compared to the 5. So how is it going? A small to big one. So this is known as ascending order. When you go small to big, it's known as ascending order. Okay, I hope you understand this ascending order. Okay, so now this is question given here, so we have to find the answer of ascending and descending order. Ascending order, descending is next one. Okay, so in ascending we have to find the answer, right? So let's see. So if you see here, write the number in ascending. Sorry, it's going something. Okay, doesn't matter. Ascending. So this is our numbers. It's like a number is given here. We have to you have to write this in ascending. So let's see. First of all, ascending means what? A small to big. We have to find a small number. In this, which is a smaller number? Can you say? This is a 300. It's a 14. It's a 14. You can say 140. 475. 1000. Sorry. This is a 1475. This is 1000. This is 15. 15,951. This is a 4,713. Okay, actually when you counting when I just count the number, I get sometimes my tongue is not moving. Okay, so because of that, so don't think. Okay, so can you tell me which is the smaller number that? So if you compare, this is a 4 digit, this is a 5 digit, this is a 3. First of all, you have to understand this is how many digit? 2 3. It's a 4 digit, it's a 5 digit, it's a 4 digit, it's a 3 digit. Which digit is smaller? Obviously 3 digit is smaller. So first of all, you have to write which is small in that, which is small in that. This is a 375 is a small, then cut that. Okay, for the understanding purpose I cut it, you don't cut. Okay, now in that, then after, which is a smaller in that? 1770, so 1475 is a smaller, otherwise 15,951, otherwise 4,730, which is a smaller in that. Obviously that's 1,000 or 4,000, which is smaller, or this 15,000, 1,000, 15,000, 4,000, which is smaller? 1,000 is smaller. So write this 1,475. Okay, after that, in this 15,000 or 4,000, which is a smaller? 4,000 is smaller, right? 4,713. Now cut that. Then after, which is left? That's only 15,951. Okay, so I hope this is completed. I hope it's you understand this. Now see that the second question. Second question is very easy. So in that, we have to find that answer. We are finding answer only. So this, first of all, let's count how much number, how many digit is it? 1 2 3 4. It means it's 9,000. It's a 9,347. This is a 19,000. It's a 19,000. It's a 22,000. It's a 12,000. So this is the 1000 only, but it's 9000, it's 90, it's 22, it's 12. So which is the smaller in that? Obviously that's 9347 is a smaller in that. In this, which is a smaller? 9347 is a smaller. Cut that. Okay, then after, if you want to cut, otherwise just leave it. For the understanding purpose I just cut it, so don't cut in your test or otherwise in your classroom. When teacher is giving question, don't cut like that. Okay, so it's giving a bad effect to you, so don't cut. For the understanding purpose I'm cutting that. Okay, so next, in this is enough because I already written, so this is end. So in this three number, which is a smaller? 19,000, 22,000, 12,000. Which is smaller? Obviously 12,000 is, 12,000 is here, is 12,000 is a smaller in that, so cut that 12,000. Okay, after that 12,000, which is a smaller in that? 19,000, 22,000, which is a smaller in that? Obviously 19,000 is smaller. Okay, so this is it's a 19,035. okay, it's a 19,035. so this also cut. Then after, which is left? This is only left 12,570. okay, so I hope it's I hope you understand this ascending order. So in ascending order there is two question only, so this our second question number is totally completed. So let's move to our third bit. Okay, so let's understand, this is our third bit. Okay, so it's not third, second is completed already, so it's our third one. Okay, it's our third bit. So write the numbers in descending order. Descending means decreasing. So we have to solve this question number 1 and 1 and 2 in descending order. So we have to write this number in descending order. So how will you write descending order? If you know descending order, then it's better. If you didn't know descending order, I explain you. It is opposite to the ascending order. Descending means decreasing. Decreasing means big to a small. Suppose you are top of here, okay, and you are coming down. So this is known as descending order. Like it's 1 2 3 4 5. You are here, okay, you are here and you are coming from here to down. So this is known as descending order. Descending means big to a small. Descending means big to a small. Okay, when you coming big to a small number is known as descending order. Okay, it's known as descending order. When you going small to big, it's known as ascending order. Okay, small to big, ascending order. Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. All right, so let's talk, let's see our answer. Okay, so now if you focus here, you can see this is our question number 1. We have to write in this descending order. Descending order means like a small, it's a descending means a small to big, big to small. Big to a small. Okay, I hope right now you got it. Okay, so descending means big to a small. So in this we have to find which is the bigger number in that. Okay, so let's see. So if you focus here, it's 1000, it's 89,000, it's 45,000, it's 89,000. Okay, just see that in this, tell which is greater in that. 89,000, 89,000, both is same only. So if it is 89,000 is greater, also 89,000 is greater. So if you see the 1000 place, this is 7. If you see the 100 place, it's a 700, it's a 200. Which is greater? Obviously 89,715 is greater one. So write first 89,715. Cut that. After in that, this is 1,000, 45,000, and 89,000. Which is greater? 89,000. Right, 89,254. Then cut it. Then 1,000, 45,000. Which is greater? 45,000 is greater. 45,321. Okay, cut that. After that, which is left? Only 1,000. Write 1,000. 1,876. 76. Okay, so if you see here, it's going a small, it's going big to a small, a small. It's going how? Big to a small. It's known as descending. Ascending means a small to big. Okay, okay, that's clear for you. All right, so now see that what Nice catch. Oh, first of all, you catch here. Then after talk about nice catch. Okay. So, you get up only. Get up. Tell that. How much? How many? Tell it first of all. Which number is coming here? Okay. It's a. Okay. It's a 3,000. It's 800. It's 8,000. 3,000. Okay. It's 18,000. Which is coming here? 18,000. Okay. So here first of all 18,500. Okay. Good. Then after which will come here? This 3,000, 8,000. This 3,000, 8,000, and 3,000. Which will come here? 8,000. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Then after 3,000, 3,000. Which come? This one. This one. Okay. Then after that's okay. Very good. Sit. So actually this is listen everyone, listen here. So it's our number system which is greater than this. 18,000 is greater if you see here. Then after 18,000, 3,000, 3,000, 8,000, which is greater? 8,000 is greater. In this 3,000, 3,000, both are same, but 100, which 100 is greater? This is 3,000 only, but this is 3,900. So here it will be okay. Then after 3,000 left, 3,000 is there. Okay, so good answer. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, so our 3 points, our 3 bit is totally completed here. Okay, I hope everyone is understanding here. Okay, so now let's move to our fourth one. Okay, so let's talk about fourth one. So fourth one say that put appropriated symbol greater or less greater one or less greater one in the space given. Okay, so in this question we have to put that symbol in that way. We will put that symbol for here. Which symbol we will put, that or that? We have to see this only. Okay, so in the introduction video I already explained you uses of this symbol and that symbol. Okay, if you understand this is good. If you didn't understand, so let's see one more here. I explain you. Suppose this is a where we will use this symbol and this symbol or equal to. There is equal to not given, but I explain here. Listen. So suppose this is 2 or this is 5. All right, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, let's do here. It's 2 and this 1. This is 2 and this is 2. Okay, which symbol we have to use? Let's see. This is 2, 5. Which is the greater number? 5. You have to put symbol like that. Just simple done. Okay, in this 1 and 2, which is greater one? 2 is greater one. Put that symbol here. Now the symbol is here, 2, that side. The symbol is that side, but here which is greater? 2. The symbol is turning that side. How? So its symbol does not matter, it's going that side. It is only symbol, but it's represented by 2 sides. One is that, one is that, like how I represent here. If you see why I represented here that side, because greater number is in that side, left side. The greater number is in right side, because of that I put in right side. That greater number is in that left side, because I put it that in left side. Okay, you got it? I hope you got it. So this is 2, 2. It's equal only. Put equal sign. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. We have to understand this only. Now we can solve this easily. Okay, so actually the people who see that who watch that introduction video, they can easily understand. Okay, otherwise it's okay, no problem. You can see. Okay, so in that, this is 3, it's a 3,854. This is a 15,200. Which is greater? 3,000 is greater. See here, 3,000 is greater or 15,000 is greater? Obviously, though 15,000 is greater, then where we will put the symbol? Greater one. We have to put symbol that side. All right. So now if you see, this is a 4,000. It's also 4,000. It's 800. It's also 800. But it's 95. But it's 64. This is a 4,000. It's also 4,000. It's 800. It's also 800. But it's 95. But it's 64. Which is greater? 95. The symbol will be here. Which is greater in both? This is greater. The symbol will be turned like that. Now see. This is a 99,000. It's also 99,000. It's 400. It's also 400. It's 54. It's 45. Which is greater? 54 is greater. The sign will be changed that side. Okay. Now see here. This 14,000 It's also 14,000. It's 500 and it's 499. Which is greater? 500 is greater. Then symbol will be like that. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Okay, so this is our answer only. It's our answer. Okay, so this our fourth put appropriate symbol is totally completed. So let's talk about next one. So let's talk about fifth one. Write the number in words. Okay, so we have to write these numbers in word. So we have to write this number in word. So in which, like you can say, it's we have to this number we have to write in word. So in Indian number system or international system, in which word we have to write? Indian or international? Okay, Indian or international. In this number system we have to write in which? Indian or international? So if you see, write the number in words. We have to write in words. So where we live in India. So if it say that write the numbers in international, then we have to write in international, but we have to write this number in Indian because we are Indian, so we are living in India. So if they will say that like write the number in international word, if any number, if anywhere, if say that write the number, just write in Indian number system only. If they said that write this number international, then you have to write international. Okay, otherwise just leave it. Okay, so we have to write this number in Indian only. Okay, so let's see. First of all, let's count and put a comma. Okay, so ones, tens, 100. After 100 we have to put 20, 100, 1000, 10,000, 10,000. Okay, this is how much? It's 72,000. So how will you write? See here, we have to write 72,000, 72,600. You have to put 100 like that. 600. Okay, it's a U only. 642. It's a A4URTY 42. Okay, so 72,600, 72,642. Now we have to write this. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so this is the 55,000. How will you write? 55. FIFTY 50. FIV 55,000. 55,300. 55,345. 45. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. It's a 55,003 sorry, 300 I didn't write here, I'm sorry. 300 145 45. Oh, so actually I'm sorry for mistake here. So 55,300, I didn't write 100, I write here. Okay, 145. Okay, 55,345. Okay, I hope it's clear for you. All right, so once if you want to write, otherwise just see once. Okay, all right, it's clear. Now let's see this. So if you see this, it's a 6 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is a 66,600. How will you write? So you have to write 66,000. 66,600. 6. All right, so now if you see here, this fourth one, it's ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. It's a 30,301. Okay, we have to write 30,300. 301. Okay, so if you want to write, okay. So this our fifth point, fifth bit, write the number in words, is also completed. So now let's talk about sixth one. Okay, let's talk about sixth one. Write the numbers in figure. Write the numbers in figure. It means we have to write this number in digit. You know, digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, like numbers 1 2 3 4. We have to write this these words in the digits. Okay, figure means digits only. Okay, so don't think like one picture will be there. All right, photo there. It's not picture means not photo, like it means we have to write in digit, or you can say in number. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you have to concentrate here. It's a 40. So in your textbook, this meaning is wrong here. 40 means it's not FOURTY. This is the meaning, I think. You can search in Google 40, it's a meaning of that. Alright, so there is something wrong in here. You can correct. Okay, I didn't correct that. I just like that only because you say that this is not matching from that, it's something different. Okay, because of that I didn't change here. So let's see. So we have to write this in numbers. Okay, I will write here. Let's see, it's a 40,000. 40,000 means 40. It's look like 9. Don't think it's 9. It's 40, right? It's a 40,270. 200, put here comma 40, 270. 70, right? 70, not 17. It's 70. So it's 70. Okay, so if you want to put comma, put, otherwise just leave it. You can write like that also, 40 27. If you want to put comma, put, otherwise just leave it. It doesn't matter. So it's a 40,270. 40,270, right? So now let's go let's see the second one. Second one say that 14,000. 14,000 means it's one or it's one. Lots of the people go for there, not it's 14, this one. Okay, so you have to write 14,000. 14,000. Now 64. 60, there is a 64. So lots of the people say why I put it 0 here. So listen, it said at 14,000. I write 14,000. Then after 64, I write here 64. So it will be 14. Count ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is a 1462. It's like that? No. It's what? It's like it's a 14,000. Then after there is a no 100. It means we have to put 0. Then after 64. All right. You understand this one? Okay. So now let's talk about third one. 9,700. 9,700 means 9,000. 9,000 like that. It's 90,000. Okay. 9,700. Okay. This is a 9,700. If you want to put comma, put, otherwise just you can write here 9,700. If you can't like that, if you put comma, it's under. You can easily understand it's 1,000 or what. Okay. 60,000. We have to write 60,000. How will you write 60? 60 0 0 0. 60,000. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. It's a 60,000. All right. So I hope it's clear for you. Okay, so our 6th point is also completed here. Write the number in figure. It's also completed. So let's move to our 7th one. Okay, so let's talk about 7th one. 7th one say that form the 4-digit number with the digits 44037 and find which is the greatest and smallest among them. Okay, this question tells that we have to, using this number, using 4037, using this number, we have to make 4 digits greater number and a smaller number. How many numbers is it? 4037. It's 1 2 3 4 digits, right? So using these 4 digits, we have to make one greater number, one smallest number. How you will form? Let's see. I explain you. Let's take these digits. 4 digits. 4037. Using this 4 digit, we have to make a greatest number. We have to make greatest number and a smallest number. Okay, I make greatest number here. So now in this 4 digit, which is the greater number in that? 7. Write 7. Write 7. Which is after that 7, which is greater? 4. Write 4. After that 4, which is greater? 3. Write 3. After that 3, which is greater? Which is left? Only 0. Then we can't compare because there is no number. So this is the, using these 4 digits, 0 4 0 3 4037. Using this 4 digit, I make it a greater number of that. Using this 4 digit, I make a greatest number. Okay, this is a 7430 is the greatest number of using this digit. You can make this, using this digit you can make a greater number of that only. Okay, now we have to make a smallest digit in using this digit. Okay, now which is the smaller in that? 0. write 0. Okay, listen, first of all listen, then after move anywhere. So then after which is 3, then after 4, 7. So can you say that this is a 4 digit greater number? No, it's totally wrong. It's not 4 digit greater number. How I explain you? Because we say that 0, 3 or 4, 7, right? So if you count, there is no value of 0. If you write 0, 1, it means 1 only. If I write 0, 10, it means 10 only. If I write 0, 2, it means 2 only, na? So how will you think this is a 4 digit? It's not 4 digit, remember. So what is the smallest number of that? So first of all, 0, if you write 0 first, it means it's 3 digits, it's become 3 digits. So don't take 3, don't take 0, take another number apart from 0, which is a smaller. 4, 3, 7, which is a smaller? 3 is a smaller. Write 3. Now you can use 0, because if you use now can 0, it's better for you, because that will be not 3 digits, it will be 4 digits only, it will be 4 digits. So you can use now 0. After 3 you can use 0, because in that number apart from 0, which is 3 only, 0 is there. So now you can use 0. If you use 0 starting on verse only, then you 3, then it will be wrong, because that 3 digits only. So after that we already use that. Then after 4 and 7, which is smaller? 4 is smaller. Now after that, which is left? 7 left. Okay, so this is a smaller number of using this 4 digits. Using this 4 digits, 4, 0, 3 and 7. Using this 4 digits, we already made that a greater number of using this 4 digits and a smaller number using this 4 digits. Okay, so our question number 7 is totally completed here. Now let's move to our question number 8th one. Okay, so let's talk about 8th one. Right. Okay, so 8th one, the heading is right. So let's see the question number 1 of the 8th one. The question number 1 say that the smallest 4 digit number. It means first write the smallest 4 digit number. We have to write 4 digit smallest number. Okay, so can you tell me what is the 4 digit smaller number? So if you go to our introduction video, already explained it. 1 digit smaller number, 2 digit smaller number. If you didn't watch that video, go and watch. Definitely you can understand the whole chapter, exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, whatever exercise in that you can easily understand. Okay, if you didn't watch, go and watch definitely. Okay, so now I explain you here also. So let's see. Okay, so I say that 1 digit greater number, 1 digit greater and a smaller number. 1 digit greater and 1 digit smaller. 1 digit greater matlab the number which is only 1. 1 digit greater number is 9. 1 digit smaller number is 0. How? Because lots of the people say that no, why the 9 will be greater, 10 will be also. Why not 10? 10 is a 2 digit. 10 is a 2 digit and 9 is only 1 digit. Because of that, 9 is a 1 digit greater number and 0 is a 1 digit smaller number. Okay, alright. So 2 digit greater number, 2 digit smaller number. What is the 2 digit greater number? Lots of people say 10 is a 2 digit greater number. Then what about 99? 99 is a 2 digit greater number and 2 digit smaller number is 10. Why? Because if you go back, that will be 9 and 10 only now. So 9 is a 1 digit greater number, so that's 10 is a smaller number. Which is the greater? If you go to the 100, before 100 it's 99. 99 is a 2 digit is bigger number and 110 is a smaller number, 2 digit. If you said that 100 is the 2 digit greater number, no, it's not 100. 1, 2, 3, it's a 3 digit smaller number. Okay, so I hope you understand. So 2 digit smaller number is 10. 3 digit smaller number, 3 digit bigger number is 999. Okay, 3 digits greater number is 3 digit 999 and 3 digits smaller number, that's 100. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, so let's move to our answer. If you move to our answer, you can see write the smallest 4 digit number. The smallest 4 digit number is smallest. So 4 digit smaller number, write 1, then after put 1, 2, 3, 4. When they will talk about smallest digit, just put 1, then after how many digits will they put it? Like just say that write 6 digit, write 1, smallest number, write 6 digit smaller number, write 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a smaller number. Okay, if you say write 6 digit greater number, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a greater number, it's a smaller number. If you say that 9 is a smaller, 10 is a greater, so don't go here. count. This is a 1 lakh. It's 1 lakh, it's 9 lakh. So there is lots of the difference between. It's also 6 digits, it's also 6 digits, but difference is what? It's 1 lakh, it's 9 lakh. This is a different. Okay, so now write the greatest 4 digit number, 4 digit greater number. 1 2 3 4. This is a 4 digit greater number. It's a 4 digit greater number. If you say that this is a greater number, it's a small number. So let's count here. 1 tens 100,000, it's 1000. 1 tens 100,000, it's 9000. 1000 is greater or 9000 is greater? 9000 is greater. Which is less? 1000. Okay, so it's because of that it's 4 digit is smaller, it's 4 digit bigger number. Okay, now let's talk about the smallest 5 digit number. We have to write 5 digit smaller number. How will you write 5 digit smaller number? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 digit bigger number. 1 2 3 4 5. This is a 5 digit greater number, 5 digit a smaller number. How? If you say it will be greater, how? Let's count. This is a 10,000, it's a 99,000. 10,000 is greater, 99,000 is greater, 99,000 is greater. Because of that, this is a 4 digit greater number, it's a 5 digit a smaller number. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so our this exercise 1.1 is end here, and all right, so our exercise 1.1 is totally completed here. Whatever in what exercise our 1.1 is totally completed. Okay, so if you didn't watch our introduction video, go and watch that introduction video. And if this video is helpful, then it's very proud for me, because I make this video and it is very helpful for you. It's very you can say it's a proud moment for me if it will be helpful for you. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. And if you have any kinds of doubt or any kinds of suggestion for me, you just go to our Instagram, otherwise in comment box you just leave a comment for me if you have any suggestion for me. Okay, so our video is ended here. We will meet the next video. Jai Hind.